Emekutu nyingi twirene handika ngo habireho rutaro hagati y'empundu mwirindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Kibale Conservation Area orubaye Civil.
This is just a normal behavior of chimpanzees. As you might know, chimpanzees are very, very related to human beings in terms of the genes, sharing sometimes up to about 98% of the genes with humans. So many of the things which we do as humans are also done by chimpanzees. So the so-called civil war is actually a normal behavior for apes. For chimpanzees, chimpanzees also develop conflict, just like humans also can develop conflict. It's not that this conflict necessarily is bad, but it is also part and parcel of the behavior of certain species, humans, but chimpanzees as well.
John Justice Tibesgwa Chief Warden w'irindiro ry'enyamishwa rya Kibale Conservation Area nagira ngo kurwanagana n'obukukubaho ombaro gw'empundu n'gweyongera.
Over the years, even when that conflict has existed, we have seen the numbers of chimpanzees, the population of the chimpanzees actually growing. We have also seen the revenue, the number of tourists first and foremost that are coming to the national park also growing. Okay, in 2022-2023 we had about 17,000 tourists coming to the national park. In 2023-2024 we had about 19,660, an increment of about 2,000, and last financial year 2024-2025 we had 20,000 and about 773. So you can actually see the trend is progressing positively in terms of the numbers.
Ogunayongera agira ngo mbaro gw'abatura okuza mu park kuza kuhiga enyamishwa gucendire.
Wildlife crime in and around Kibale National Park is not high, it is actually low, but that doesn't give us a lot of comfort. Certainly doesn't put us in our comfort zones. We are always on the lookout.
Bwanyuma tweyongire hagati y'irindiro ry'enyamishwa ahitshangire empundu z'ekika kya Kanyantare kandi ebe nibyo batugambire.
Kibale ntunihera kuba communities ziri hagati ya 14 up to 18 kandi buli community ino mwanya gwayo kyonka mu communities zino zona tizikulugamba ngu zona zimanyirira abantu twine communities mukaga ezimanyirira abantu. So communities isatu nhagendayo abakora ebyo kuzonzora rundi ba researchers, then communities zindi isatu ziri zebyo burambuzi.
Konkito nitureka nature ebanze taking a course. So binemu emibazi twinemu emiti ngo muti wo bakweta wa bogia Ugandayosis, omuruzungu nibageta green heart tree. Ogomuti ebikuya byarwara, you see them no bireba bitandika kugurya ebijuma, bitandika kuriye ebijuma, bitandika kuriye ebijuma, with the time like after 1 week oshanga byona byakora ki byakira.
Mbikora biri nkaitwe nk'abantu abwo kuba bino butikitiki 98 katonyezi 8 obuli nk'abantu. So basically obuhangwa bwabyo obuli nkaitwe abantu. So byagumambe bazambitera emiti mbikora kiso buli ngamba yona kuruga mu kikuya ekikubaza nkeba nkyoleka ngo hariho message rundo obutumwa obukuhikibwa kuruga muri ekikuya ekikubaza kuhika mu bindi.
Irindiro ry'enyamishwa rya Kibale Conservation Area ndarishango marindiro g'enyamishwa nka Kibale National Park, Katonga Wildlife Reserve, Toro Semuriki Wildlife Reserve na Semuriki National Park. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.